Today, we are going to show you how to adjust the orientation on your Garmin LiveScope transducer. There is only one click difference from forward view and downward view. Begin with your boat out of the water and the transducer correctly installed. Now, we will need to navigate to the menu and check the Garmin Marine device to see if the orientation is correctly set. Select Home, Sonar, LiveScope, Menu, SonarSet-up, Installation and Orientation. Here is where you can see which orientation the Garmin Marine device is using. Make sure that you are in auto mode. Now, check your installation. If you're using forward view, you will want to make sure your installation matches what you see on screen. This is what the forward view orientation will look like when it's correctly installed. Here is a representation of the beam path. If you rotate the transducer one click down, you can use downward view. If you're using the downward orientation, this is what the installation should look like. This is what the downward view orientation will look like when it is correctly installed. Here is a representation of the beam path. Here is a side-by-side of a correct and incorrect installation. This is how your chart plotter will look with a correct installation versus an incorrect installation. And that's it. You should now be able to use your LiveScope transducer. Thank you for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.